Hello and thank you for registering with ARC. In this video I'm going to show you how you can claim your free copy of Cubasis LE2, and it's worth noting that this only works if you have iD4. So first of all, you go to the App Store and then search for Cubasis in the search bar. You'll see a number of things come up and you need to make sure that you select Cubasis LE2 as opposed to Cubasis 2. Once you've found the LE version, you just have to click Get and then Install, and your iPad, depending on your settings, might ask you for a password or for you to enter your Touch ID. Once it's downloaded and installed, you can just hit the Open button or go back to your home screen and open the app from there. If you open it and iD4 is not connected, Cubasis LE will open in demo mode, which gives you limited features. All you have to do is plug iD4 in and Cubasis LE will unlock itself and give you access to all the features. If you want information on how to actually set up iD4 with an iPad, you can go watch our iOS setup video, which gives you a step-by-step guide on how to get it all plugged in and working. If you want to check that iD4 is selected as your sound device, then you just have to go up to Setup, go to the Audio tab, and then make sure that iD4 is listed as the audio device. And that's it. You now have a fully functional portable recording solution using iD4 and your iOS device with Cubasis LE2. Thanks for watching.